When your Jazzy Air arrives, it will come in two boxes, one for the seat and the other containing the base unit. Use a pair of cutters to cut the banding and remove the seat and unit from the boxes. Your VR2 joystick will already have the harnessing run through the iGUS chain, and the air button with the mounting bracket will be contained in the styrofoam packaging. In the owner's packet, you will find an M6 and M4 Allen wrench, as well as the 4 bolts and 4 washers to attach the seat to the base. Remove the shroud in order to access the right battery box. Remove the right battery box by unscrewing the 2 yellow knobs and connect the battery connectors. The Jazzy Air will only come with the right side disconnected. Power up the unit with the joystick and press the mode button and elevate the actuator to its highest position to make it easier to bolt the seat on. You can reaffix the battery box and the shroud back on the base. Before attaching the seat, notice the Jazzy Air will have 3 positions of depth adjustment on the seat plate for added comfort. Align the holes on the bottom of the Sport Comfort seat with the holes on the plate and start the bolts. Start all 4 bolts before tightening them. After you have tightened your bolts, adjust the height of the armrests so that there is enough clearance to raise them up and down. Armrests are universal. When it comes to right or left joystick mounting, place the joystick in the armrest and tighten the set screw. Repeat this process when mounting the air button under the other armrest. Mount the air button to the bracket before securing the armrest using the 3M hook and loop provided. Plug the air button into the other harness in the iGUS chain to make sure it functions properly. Secure the harness using the narrow zip ties provided in the owner's packet to the 2 holes under the armrest. Make sure to have the armrests lifted up when securing the harnesses to ensure that there will be enough slack in the harnessing. Secure the harnesses to the arms and the back of the seat plate. Make sure that there are no areas that can be snagged. Neatly wrap up the air button harnessing with a zip tie and tuck it under the seat plate. Cut the ends of the zip ties flush so the user won't be scratched or cut. Test drive the Jazzy Air, making sure it drives properly and functions as it should. Test the undershroud LED lighting to ensure that it is working correctly. Your Jazzy Air is now complete. Please contact your Pride representative for any further assistance, and thank you for choosing Pride Mobility for all your mobility needs.